My name is Kubeir. Welcome to the channel. My CRS score is 324. Am I eligible for Canadian PR? You do not check your eligibility from the CRS score. You check your eligibility from the eligibility criteria and eligibility factor scores, which is 67 points. So federal skilled worker, if you have 67 points or more, you are eligible. If you have less, you will not be eligible. There are also other factor points to consider in terms of eligibility. As a federal skilled worker, you should have at least 12 months of continuous work experience in one NOC, which is NOC 0A or B. And this work experience, should be within the last 10 years. Obviously, just with 1 year of work experience, you will get only 9 eligibility points. So you need to check in combination with your education. Do you have the equivalency? Do you have the IELTS scores? Do you have the work experience? In combination, check the eligibility points. If it is 67 points or more, you are eligible. If not, then you will need to either improve your scores, or you will need to figure out a program where you don't need express entry. I did not get the meaning of 69 score. Isn't it 3 to 4 digits like 580 or something? Well, for people who are not Canadian experience class, so people, if you do not have work experience inside Canada, then you are a federal skilled worker or federal skilled trade category. For a federal skilled worker, you need to first score 67, not 69, 67 points under the eligibility score. Search for this 6 selection factors for federal skilled worker program. It's on the IRCC website. Now, as you will scroll down, it tells you if you score 67 points or higher, you may qualify for the federal skilled worker program. That basically means you need to, because the factors to assign your score is out of an overall score of 100. And out of this, you have to score 67 points or more in order to be eligible as a federal skilled worker program, under the federal skilled worker program. Obviously, if you are a Canadian experience class, you are not required to go through this eligibility factors. This is primarily only for the federal skilled worker program. And in this is different than the CRS score. The 580, the 480, the 380, the 300 or 3-digit score that you're looking at, that is different. That is your ranking score. Once you are eligible, you're in the express entry pool, then you get a rank. That is your ranking score. That tells you how far up or down below the rank you are within the express entry pool based on what they are drawing out for the invitations. But this is your 67 points. And if you go down, this will tell you what you get points for. You get a maximum points for language skills. You will get points for your IELTS scores. These are calculated individually. So if you have a CLB 7, CLB 8, you can mix and match for both. For each factor, you will get a specific point. And then again, you can get additional points for second language or French in this case. You will get separate points for education. For education, you can check individual criteria. For masters, you get 23. For bachelors, you get 21. For 2 or more degrees, you get 22 points. For work experience, you get a maximum 15. Again, you have to choose. If you have 1 year of work experience, you get 9. For 2 or 3, you get 11. For 4 to 5, you get 13, and so on and so forth. Age also gives you points. Up to the age of 35, your points remain the same, which is 12. And then it starts reducing and goes to 0 when you hit after 46. Then additionally, you also have points for arranged employment. You have points for if your spouse has also taken IELTS and scored at least CLB4, and you can get those 5 to 10 additional points as well for adaptability. So these are the different factor scores that you can get for you, which you can check your eligibility. By all means, do take a look at it. You can always Google or research 6 selection factors, which is right at the top here. 6 selection factors. If you Google for this, if you search for this, you will be able to find this page and you can check your scores accordingly. Thank you so much for joining in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We would like to see those numbers adding up. And if there are so many of you here, then you most definitely must smash the like button so that we can get the video to most people out there. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next time.